Life ever get you down? When I'm feeling low, I like to take a fresh look at the original 17 by 43 inch precision lathe, the HJ1100 from Kingston. Works every time. The HJ is available in two different lengths, 43 inches between centers and 67. Standard bore size is 2 1/4 inches, but you can upgrade that to a 3 inch. But today we'd like to focus on the classic 2 1/4 inch bore HJ1100. Oh, just got chills. Now, one thing that separates the HJ1100 from the competition is its 3-point spindle bearing system. This means higher rigidity, greater precision, longer spindle life, better surface finishes, and less runout. Another thing that gives the HJ1100 the edge is that it ships with this Taiwan-made Chandox SK 10-inch 3-jaw chuck. That's a $1,500 chuck right there. Way nicer than you're gonna get elsewhere. The craftsmanship really shows. This is a well-built machine with nice retro lines. Now, let's talk about some of the standard features of the HJ1100. First off, the machine base is a one-piece casting. 7.5 horsepower motor, 12 speeds, 35 to 2,000 RPMs, inch and metric threads, E-stop button, chuck guard, D16 spindle nose, this sweet Chandox SK 10-inch 3-jaw scroll chuck, hardened and ground bedways and cross slide, 4-way tool post, dual dials on both the compound and cross feed hand wheels, with both inches and millimeters, no calculations required, thread chasing dial, coolant system, work light with 110 outlet, 4 TPI lead screw, and foot brake, naturally. And this tailstock with 6.7 inches of quill travel, nice markings, this lip seal, keep the bad things out and the good things in, and wipers all around. Our HJ model is the perfect manual lathe for job shop production, repairs, reworking threads, and making fixtures and tooling. In addition to machine shops, schools also love the HJ because of its ease of operation and durability. Facts. Now, there are machines out there that look like the HJ, but are not the HJ. So fair warning, accept no substitutes. Always ask for the accurate, smooth, long-lasting HJ1100 from Kingston. If you have any questions or comments, find your local Kingston dealer, reach out to your friends here at Kingston Machine Tool. Once again, I'm Brian. Stay awesome. God, I feel awesome. That was a good one.